So the cinematic music drops off about here, and we can take our piano music, drag it over to the left, and have that start right here. And then we can go all the way to the end here, get the razor tool to cut there, and then delete the rest. And let's zoom out. That's looking good. Command S to save. Now, if you want to add in some black areas between some of the scenes to give it a little drama, you could zoom in, get the track selection forward tool, click on this one, drag it a little bit, click on this one, drag it a little bit. So it will look like this. It's kind of cool. You have to move the music again, and the music doesn't go far enough now. So what we have to do is make the music go longer. So if you want to get really jiggy with it, what I would do is cut the music here, get the move tool, move the music to the right to where you want it to go, and then drag this to the right. And hopefully this transition sounds good. It's not bad. That's one way you can do it. People are really engulfed in looking at these visuals. They won't hear the transition of the music. Some people might hear it, but most people probably won't hear it. Then we can bring our music back over here. That's the piano music. And then we're done with our visuals and our audio. So let's export this. I'll name it Apocalypse and press export. That was pretty quick. It exported to the desktop. And now we can take that and bring it into our files. And what you want to do is write your last name, underscore, first name, underscore, and then name it title sequence a.mp4. And that's what you're going to submit. Next week, we'll bring this file into After Effects to add in the animated title and credits.